Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about MTN internet and connectivity. Recently, MTN introduced a powerful broadband connectivity internet which known as MTN FibreX. But in this video, I want to quickly explain things to you, what you need to know before you can actually order for this particular MTN FibreX for installation into your household or into your business center or what have you. There are things you need to know, which I'm going to explain it to you right here in this video. So let's get started. So whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone or PC, provided that you have access to internet, go ahead and open up your Chrome browser. Okay, open up your Chrome browser. The very first thing you need to know right here is to do a simple Google search. Go ahead and click on search right here and type in MTN Fiber, hit enter. Okay, then go ahead and click on more right here. Now you can simply scroll down right here. What you need mostly here is the coverage availability right here. Now, as at the time of making this video, MTN Fiber is fully available in Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt, Ibadan, Asaba, and some selected residential estates as explained right here by MTN through Google search. This is one of the first things you need to know right here. Now, once you know this, how can you check the availability of the network in your area? For the second thing is that every area where this MTN Fiber works, there is always a pole. I'm going to quickly show you right here in this video. So another thing you need to know is that if you take a look at this thing, this pole right here is part of the signal you need to take into consideration before you can order for your MTN Fiber. So you're going to have something like this along the street. So you can see it from the camera right here. If I control my camera right here, this is how MTN installed everything along all the streets. So this is another thing you need to take into consideration, whether you are in estate or in your area, in whatever area you find yourself, you will definitely see this kind of pole right here. And this is another thing. And this is how it's going to be connected with the MTN wireless, and it will going to be connected into your where you want to put that particular MTN Fiber. And this is another thing. Back to the web right here. Now, for you to check the final availability of MTN Fiber, you want to make sure you click on here to create a new tab. And the next thing you want to do is to click on search right here, type in shop.mtn.ng, hit enter. Then it's going to take you to this MTN shop right here. You want to make sure you click on this three slider from the top. Then go ahead and click on MTN Fiber. Then proceed to purchase X Fiber right here. Then here you go. Scroll down right here and read the product description. MTN Fiber X base plan. Scroll down right here and enter your street address right here. So you can enter the full street address or a popular bus stop that link to your street. So for that, I'm going to simply enter the popular bus stop in my street right here. And once you enter, it's going to generate, then go ahead and hit enter. So once you enter, click on check availability right here. Boom. MTN FibreX is available in this location. You can proceed to request installation just like so. You can see. So for a new customer, you just want to make sure you enter your first name, your middle name, your last name, your email address, and then scroll down right here, your phone number, your date of birth, your NIN right here, and then proceed to validate NIN. In the process, you'll be asked to pay for your subscription plan, which can either be basic or the advanced one, as the case may be. Choose any one that is applicable to you and you are good to go. It's that simple. So this is exactly what you need to know about MTN FibreX before you can make a purchase, so that you don't make a costly mistake. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.